What's up guys, this is Dark here. Today I'll be unboxing an Acer Nitro 5 and I'll be upgrading from the i5-10300H. This one is half the price of the i5-10300H. This is the model number of my laptop. This has an Intel Core i5-10300H that is a 4-core 8-thread processor at 2.5 GHz and turbo boost up to 4.5 GHz with Intel UHD graphic, paired with the RTX 2060 with 6 GB of video memory, with a 500GB Western Digital SSD, an Intel Wi-Fi 6 card, and 16 GB of 2900 MHz single channel memory. It's single channel memory, but it's easier to upgrade to 32GB in dual channel later down the line. Let's open it. It's a box inside the box. The Acer right there. Then I'll grab this black box. This must have the power brick inside and the actual laptop. Nothing more inside. Nothing. I just changed to the top view, so let's see what's inside the black box. Yup. Some screws. The hard drive upgrade screw. It's a 180 watt hour power brick 19.5 volt, and it has those barrel plug and the power cable and a hard drive upgrade cable. Let's open the beast now. A quick start guide. And another quick start guide with stickers. Let's actually open the beast. Oh, it's tight indeed. Here's the laptop. I switched view. Let's open it for the first time. Turn this off. Headphone. Something about this. This has 144Hz display with 3 millisecond response time. You can see that it has the numpad. It had WASD lettering. It's Core i5 10th generation GeForce RTX. It's available for 2 SSD and 1 hard drive. Killer Ethernet, Wi-Fi 6. It has their own software, HDMI port, immersive game audio. Let's see the ports. It has one USB-C, not Thunderbolt, USB 3.0, HDMI. At the back you have the barrel plug for charging. You have the lock. You have Ethernet. You have 2 more USB 3.0 and a headphone jack. I think it's a combo jack. It got set up. Oh, useless. I'm going to make more video with this laptop, like gaming and benchmarking. Thanks for watching the video.